Robert Marshall, maximum pressure hose testing. Today we're going to do a little video on our EcoTarp ET7 hose roller we just received. This here is the basket attachment that they sent with me. I've also got the fork attachment. The basket attachment is for larger diameter hose, LDH hose. I have 4-inch LDH laid out here now. So the way you do it is you will adjust your hose guide, which we already have. This is your basket. You have your on and off switch here. Button to run it up here on the top. It also has a reverse. It is made to work with Milwaukee M18 batteries. 2 M18 batteries. I have aftermarket batteries in here. They seem to work just fine with the machine. When you start to use your roller, it rolls to the back. So you want to slide your stores in. Line up your gap or top of your hose. Alright, once you got everything slid on in place, you turn it on. I hold a little bit of back pressure on the machine. How it keeps tension, keeps it all in the guide. Just ease on the button and walk with it. You don't want to hold too much pressure back on it. Just kind of let it enough to keep a little bit of tension on the hose. You can also drag it, as you see here. I don't like dragging it as much with depending on the type of pavement. Now, if you see, once you get the hose in close to the machine, I'm going to move the camera a little closer here. You can see it has a latch right here, which I release that, hold it out, which lets the coupling go underneath, and you finish rolling it up. Turn him off, support the hose, pull your roll off and lay it down. And stand on the hose. Now you have your old hose. Alright, I ordered my ET hose roller with both attachments, with the forks and the baskets attachment. So what I like about this is they have a one button over here you pull up on, and you can take your basket off. And you put your fork in. It's got a keyway with a keeper ring. You stick it in your hole. If you're not lining the hole, you just keep a little pressure on it. Roll it until it finds the keyway. Make sure it's locked in. What I like about this attachment is the smaller hose, 1.5 inches, 2.5, 3 inch. You can do it this way, pretty easy. Same principle as the basket. You throw your hose in, put that on, then it'll roll. Once you're done, you get a hold of your hose, pull the whole thing off, set it down. This will slide up out of it. Why I like this versus the basket for the smaller stuff, I have a couple of departments that like donut rolls. So instead of doing single rolls, like I have with other machines, I can do a donut roll with this. Just stick that in here and it'll roll it up. So that's the fork attachment. It's all made to go, claps pretty easy. This will go down and locks. Same down here. All little pull levers like so on that side right there. Locks down and go into your car. Got 2 settings. I like that setting because it gives me a better angle on pushing it. You can put it up here. roll it more straight up. Once I get doing a lot more hose, I might like it this way, but I feel like where I'm wanting to walk with it while it's rolling, at this angle here will be the best way to do it. I like the 4 wheels on it. I was going to get the ET6, which only had the 2 front wheels and stuff, but after really considering it with the 4 wheels, I kind of like that a little better. Feels like it gives it more support. It is pretty heavy built. It's actually a little bit heavier than what I picture it being by looking at it on the internet and stuff, so I feel like it's well built. It come pretty quick. The company is really nice to deal with, and I recommend it. I have this one here currently. As soon as I get some more business in this year and get some money built up in the business account, I plan on buying at least 1 more, possibly 2. My goal is to always look at better pieces of equipment to do my hose rolling and make it faster and easier on my guys that's doing the work.